What's up guys, let's make heavenly sweet beef jerky, สิ้นสวรรค์
This beef jerky is going to be sweet and savory in flavors, delicious and comforting. Head on to your local Asian supermarket and have your butcher cut your choice of beef, thinly sliced about a quarter of an inch thick. If not, you can thinly cut it yourself. Just freeze the meat a little bit so it'd be easier to cut. Want something like this. And now let's season our meat.
A dash of garlic powder, fish sauce, white pepper, black pepper, chicken bouillon, some of that magic dust, a little bit of MSG. If you don't use it, optional, no worries. Seasoning sauce, or you can use oyster sauce. A fourth of a cup of sugar.
If you want it more sweet, add more.
And now a little bit of warm water.
This is going to help everything marinate well.
The star of this show is the sesame seeds.
Mix and combine well.
So now we're gonna cover this with saran wrap and let it refrigerate.
Let this marinate for a minimum of 1 hour or overnight if you can. This will help the meat become tender and full of flavors. Once complete, gently lay your meat flat in a dehydrator. Do not overcrowd each layer. Once complete, cover it, plug it in, and turn it on medium. Leave this on overnight. If you don't have time, 2 to 4 hours will work. Next, add vegetable to frying pan. Fry your beef jerky. Once they float up, quickly remove and place it on a cooling rack. And you're done. Wow, look at that. This pairs so well with sticky rice. Whatever you don't use, vacuum seal it or put it in a freezer bag. So this way you can have it whenever you want.
This is how grown-ups get the kids to eat. They'll take a piece of like the beef jerky and they put it on the sticky rice.